Hey everyone, it's Megan, and it is officially Cybersecurity Awareness Month. So in October, the Mondays with Megan are going to focus on tips specifically for your employees to know how to spot phishing emails and other things that can turn into cybersecurity threats. So today I want to talk about two things that are really common in phishing emails. One would be a sense of urgency. Any email with a call to action with a sense of urgency is a red flag. That doesn't mean every email that has a deadline is a phishing email, but if you see something that specifically says this needs to get done today, and you typically don't get deadlines like that from your team or whoever's sending the email, red flag. Delete the email, don't click on anything in it, follow protocol from your IT company, and make sure that if you do click on something, you report that to your IT company or your internal IT department immediately. Second thing I'm going to remind everyone to be aware of is first-time senders. Now, I'm in sales, so I get emails from people I don't know all the time. But with phishing emails, a first-time sender in combination with something else like a call to action, an unknown attachment, asking me to reset a password when I've never had to reset my password via email from this person before, stuff like that, red flag. I'm always going to delete the email, go to the official website from a web browser, and see if I need to actually change my password or whatever the case may be. Now, hopefully you're not getting emails from Netflix, Hulu, Spotify to your work email. Those should all be sent to a personal email account, but that's a conversation for another time. I hope you guys have a great week and happy National Cybersecurity Awareness Month.